giving way.
We must survive. I promise we will only take enough to survive.
Pull harder. We need to turn left now. I've got the rope. Keep paddling.
Come on, push. We almost got it.
Keep going, keep going. Special forest tea. Drink up, friends.
Ah, thank you. This looks wonderful.
Yes, just like that. Dip your finger in the yellow fruit and press it onto the leaf. Very good.
Forest Mother, hear our drums. We give thanks for all you give. Ancient spirits, walk with us.
Let us celebrate Nam Xuan Huong and Ely Xuan.
Congratulations to the happy couple! Thank you, brothers and sisters.
We will never forget your kindness. Goodbye. Easy. Stay still. It's going.
Thank God. I thought I lost you. We made it. We actually made it.
Here, let me help you up.
Thank you. I'll secure the monkey.
Look at this place. I am grateful we made it this far.
We got it! Woo! Yes, finally! That's a big one!
You grip it firmly right behind the shell here, away from the claws, like that.
Okay, got it. Wow, look at it move.
The wound is clean now, Mr. Huang. You are very brave.
And how are you feeling, Ely? Everything all right with the little one?
We're doing much better now, thank you.
Welcome back. We are so glad you're safe.
Mr. Xuan, what is the significance of the monkey you brought with you?
Welcome. These knives are incredibly sharp, made entirely from local bamboo.
That is incredible work. How long does it take to make one?
Here they are.
I collected them deep in the forest.
Thank you. These are vital.
See how the water moves? You have to be faster than the fish, but gentle, like this.
When treating macaques, remember they can be quite sensitive. Use gentle pressure when securing the bandage, just enough to keep it in place.
If we angle the roof section here, it improves water runoff.
Okay, let's cut this piece to fit that angle now.
They said I wouldn't make it. But survival isn't just about the body, it's about the heart. This book proves it.
Settle into the sounds of the forest. Allow the bamboo flute to guide your breath. Release any tension you might be holding.
Ellie, we've shared so many memories by this stream. Will you marry me?
Oh my God, yes.
Yes, I accept. This bond is forever.
Look at this. It opens up into a massive chamber.
I can't believe it. We found it, an undiscovered cave system. Ah, this feels incredible.
Best idea we've had all week. Look how happy everyone is.
Be very careful, the flame is delicate. See how it glows for you.
It's beautiful. Can we light the others now?
Make sure to space the mango slices evenly like this so they dry properly in the sun. It prevents mold.
No highway through our forest. Save the wildlife. Protect the jungle. Stop the road.
We finally did it! I can't believe it's finally over.
Good to see her moving freely again.
The water station seems to be working well.
There you go, little one. It's okay now. She missed you so much.
Gently place the seed in the center.
Good.
Now carefully sprinkle the soil over it until it's covered, and then we pat it down softly.
This holds many secrets, little one. Look here, this bear cub was known for his bravery, even when the shadows grew long.
Our monthly workshops cover essential survival skills.
Join us to reconnect with the wilderness and learn how to thrive in nature.
You shouldn't go this way. It's safer if you follow me out.
We understand. Lead the way.
We got it.
Perfect tracking on that leap. The sound should be clean.
We demand that all filming respects nature.
And ensures no animals are harmed in the process. See how relaxed he is? That's the connection we want for the scene. Go ahead and try petting her head softly.
As I pour the water in here, you can see how the sand, gravel, and charcoal layers work to make the water flow out clean into the pot.
The vibrant red and spots on this one tell us it's toxic, but these brown and yellow mushrooms here are safe to eat. Notice the difference in shape. Tomorrow, the earth will still be green because of people who love it like they do.
Look at the cubs. She trusts us.
This is incredible.
We finally have the proof. The deforestation is escalating, threatening the entire ecosystem.
Hush now, close your eyes. The green forest sings a lullaby.
See how it reaches for the sun. Every blade is important.
Even this little one?
Yes.
We must love and respect them all.
The future of the reserve is now in your hands. Protect it well.
We will not fail you.
We have lived a truly meaningful life.
You made it back.
Hello there, beautiful. It's wonderful to see you.